Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. May Allah bring you peace and happiness this Ramadan. Let's start our today's lesson. Can you read the topic? Yes, it is adjectives. I know you will be thinking that why are we doing this topic again? In fact, we will revise this topic today. Before starting the lesson, read the learning objectives with me. Can I identify the adjectives? Can I write suitable adjectives for the nouns? Okay, can you tell me what is an adjective? In order to understand what an adjective is, you have to understand what a noun is. Noun is a person, place, or thing. A person like a doctor, a place like a bookstore, and a thing like a desk. The words we use for person, place, animals, or things are called nouns. Here we'll know about the adjectives. Adjectives describe the nouns. Adjectives are the words that tell us more about nouns. So let's look at some adjectives for the nouns that we have shared. The doctor, the bookstore, and the desk. Here I have used two adjectives to describe the doctor. He is tall and smart. Tall and smart are describing the noun doctor. Bookstore is a noun too. It's a place. What two adjectives can we use for the bookstore? One word can be fancy. It looks pretty fancy. And the second word is friendly because we get books from there. So it's friendly and fancy. Both are describing the bookstore. They are adjectives. What about this desk? I have used the describing words clean and tan here. Clean because you can see it's not dirty, and tan is describing its color. Clean and tan are describing the noun desk. All these words you see are the adjectives. They are tall, smart, fancy, friendly, clean, and tan. They are describing nouns. My dear students, adjectives are pretty fun. They help us to learn more about nouns. Now let's practice using adjectives to describe nouns. Look at this picture. How can we describe these girls? Look at their big smiles. They are looking very happy. We can use the adjective happy for them. Now tell me, are they looking clean or little messy? Yes, they are looking messy. Messy is another adjective that we may use for the happy girls. Girls is a noun. That's a plural noun. Now look at this picture. What two adjectives can we use to describe this Lego toy that's on the grass? He looks angry, doesn't he? Angry describes him. Okay, is this toy very big? No, it's tiny. Tiny describes its size. Angry and tiny are describing the noun. That's a Lego toy. Wow, look at the trees in this picture. How will we describe these trees? They are touching the sky. They are very tall and took a long time to be so tall. That's why they are old also. Tall and old are adjectives that are describing the noun trees. Oh wow, look at this picture. We will describe here the water. That's a thing. We can say it's wet. If we get into the water, we will become wet. So that we can say it's wet. Now look at its color. What is the color of the water? It's blue and clear also. So wet, blue and clear are the adjectives that are describing a noun, water. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Is it clear? Okay, now let's play an adjective game and find out how much you have really learned. Here, the game will start now. I am going to show you some sentences and you will tell me which word is the adjective. The first sentence is, he ran to the old store. Which word is adjective? Remember that adjective describe a noun. Yes, old is the adjective. Awesome job. Here is another one. The quick fox jumps over the lazy dog. Here are two adjectives that are describing two different nouns. Can you collect the adjectives? Well, quick and lazy are the adjectives. Quick is describing fox. Quick is another word for fast, while lazy is describing a dog. Quick and lazy are adjectives. They are describing two different nouns that are fox and dog. Look at this one. He wanted to buy a new car. Which word is the adjective here? Yeah, you are right. New is the adjective. That is describing the noun car. Great job. New is the adjective. Okay, here is the last one. She is wearing a purple frock. Can you crop an adjective in this sentence? Which one is the adjective and why is it the adjective? All right, purple is the adjective. Yes, purple is the adjective because it is describing the color of the frock. Absolutely right. Awesome job you have done today. Just remember, we can use adjectives anytime because they describe the shapes, size, color, number, condition, and appearance of the nouns. Adjectives are great. They make the things extraordinary. Now, let's talk about the homework. The question is, choose an adjective from the box to finish the sentences. The word bank is tired, large, sad, wild, and old. Now I'll read the sentences for you. The dash animal roared at us. This book has a dash ending. The dash man climbed onto the bus. And dash woman lives next door. The dash key didn't fit the lock. After writing day, date, and topic, you will write this question in your language notebook. And if your language notebook is finished, then you will complete this task on a loose sheet. Thanks for watching the video. We have a great time together. Allah Hafiz.